Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.2890 as you can see looking at this particular chart. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, a swing has formed at a level of $1.92. Okay, the other swing which has formed earlier, that was around $1.58. These two things you have to understand, that overall trend is upside. If you look at from the month of, you can say, 2020, what we have seen, this is the level which is a strong support. That is where we have seen a swing has formed, and then after it started going upside. Probability is very high that if the price keep moving above this level, plus this pattern is supporting this particular trend, so chances are very high that if the price keep moving above a level of 2.0753, we will see there will be an upside. Okay, if it comes to this level also, there will be a bounce back and then it can go further upside. Keeping that in mind, probability of going towards a level of $3 we can see, and once started sustaining above $3, a further upside movement we can see, because as I will already explain you, the maximum movement we have seen on these levels, you can say it is around, you can say, max of $1 movement. Okay, so probability is higher only if you look at this trend from previous all these days or weeks. You can say the movement is at this level as a high movement. Okay, otherwise what we have seen, a range of around 0.8 to 0.7, this is the range we have seen. The volatility is there. Okay, what is the use of telling you this? Then this will help you decide your quantity, this will help you decide your risk, this will help you decide your targets. Okay, so that it is, they are very important, and this is how you will put your SL and trail your SL. Okay, and see, there are a lot of factors are important. See, suppose your capital is small or large, then you have to decide your risk and the target as per the volatility. Okay, when there is big event is coming, then there can be a big volatility, so then your target and quantity will be changed. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside coming back. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now if you look at the dollar index is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, this is the range. So if the dollar index started falling below a level of 100, see, it has already touched a level of 100 in the month of December 23, but now it has touched a level of $102.2. If the price keep moving below this level, and if it comes to a level of $102, probability will be very high that it can go below a level of 101.4, and from there it can go below a level of $100.6. Okay, or if it started falling below this level, then will be a chances of going further low. Coming back on this, see, a swing has formed. So if the price keep moving above a level of $104, then there is a probability of upside. Why you have to understand this movement? Because see, they are inversely related. Okay, but sometimes what happens, they move in same direction, the dollar index and natural gas. So in this case, what you can do, you have to put your SL. In this case also you have to put your SL, but this is SL is very important. You, as soon as you start to trade, try to put the SL, so the capital should not be. What happens, people, what they do or trader do, that if they are in profit, they book it, okay, very soon, but when they are in loss, they try to hold it for long. This should not be your case. Okay, you should not be doing this. Okay, so when there is, they are moving in the same direction, try to put the SL, because they are mostly they mostly moves in the opposite directions, but if they are moving in the same direction, try to put the SL and keep trailing your SL, so your profit should be saved. Now keep it in mind that as soon as the price started going up 103.5, probability of upside will be there, and then it can go towards 104. But if the price started falling below 103, a further fall we can see, and then chances of touching a level of 102.5 will be there, and then it can move below a level of 102. Now coming back again on the natural gas part, you can see if the price sustain this level, probability is higher that it can go further upside. So suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of around $2.3714. This $2.3174 is already being a weak resistance, so chances will be high it will cross that level, and from there it will touch a level of 2.44. Okay, and suppose if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.53. Okay, suppose if the price moving above a level of 2.53, the probability of touching 2.60176 will be there, and from there it will move towards a level of 2.75. Okay, suppose if the price moving above a level of 2.75, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of 2.93 will be there. Okay, and then it can cross a level of $3. Why I'm not explaining you about $3? See, there is a probability that if started coming towards a level of 2.9, and if it started going above a level of 2.7, chances of going towards 2.9 will be there, and from there it can cross a level of $3. So probability of going upside will be very high. Okay, if it's sustained above this level, we can see a level of 3 and then 3.2. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. Okay, so if the price moved below a level of 2.25, this 2.25 is a strong support, so a bounce back can come from this level. But if it didn't sustain, it can move towards a level of 2.17, and if the price started falling below this level, probability of going towards 2.4056 will be there, and then it will go below a level of $1.93. This $1.93 is already being tested here, so chances of going further we can see, and then it can go towards $1.84, and then if that didn't sustain, it can go towards 1.72. This 1.72 is already being weak support, so you have to understand the price will go further low, and if started falling below 1.58, there will be a further downfall we can see towards in this zone. Okay, I'll explain you if the price started falling below a level of 1.8. Okay, and I'll make a live session on that when the price comes down. So hope you like the video, or if any doubts, I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com, or you can join my telegram link also, I'll give in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.